Hello everyone, this is Janu Bhatia from Gossipfunda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic different ways to factory reset without data loss. A factory reset is done when the user needs to restore the device to its original state. Moreover, sometimes you may face some errors that may be corrected only by resetting your device to factory settings. Let's find out different ways to factory reset without data loss. Method 1. Look if there is such an option on your phone. Some companies have come up with options that will let you spare your data from the resetting process, and this is becoming more common with the latest models. When you go to factory reset screen in settings, look for an option called factory reset setting options. Although it might have different name in different models, if it is present, you will be able to reset your phone without deleting any data. Steps are: run the settings app on your smartphone, scroll till you see the additional settings option and then choose it. Now go to backup and reset option. At the end of screen, you will see the reset to factory settings option. Select it. Finally, tap on reset system settings only option among the other options. Below the option, you will be able to see other options including erase all data option, and choosing this one will surely clean every piece of data on your phone. Method 2. Backing up your files to an SD card or PC. This is the next method through which you can safely back up your data before conducting a factory reset. It is useful since most of the older phones may not have the reset system settings only option or anything similar, because it's a relatively new feature among smartphones. But you still need to back up the things you need. Method 3. Using Google services for backup. For this, open the settings app on your device. Look around the account and sync option and then choose it when you spot it. You will be able to see your Google account, and if you did not add it, you can do so by clicking the add account option. After that, tap on your Google account that you added. Make sure that box against contacts have a tick mark. Then choose the sync option at the bottom of the screen. Next is backing up files with Google Drive. Tap on the Google Drive icon on your menu. When the app opens, you will be able to see a colorful plus icon at the bottom right corner. Click on it. A few options will emerge at the lower part of the screen. Choose the second option, that is one called upload. Choose the file you want to upload. Choose OK once you are done. Method 4. Backing up with the help of Dr.Phone. Dr.Phone has a bunch of apps that are designed to help your phones for various purposes. The software has even dedicated versions for rooting phones as well as restoring deleted files on the phone. Here we are going to deal with one that helps people to back up their files. Download the software on your PC from its official website and then install it. Secure a connection between your phone and the PC with the help of USB cable. Next, open the app and choose phone backup option. The following page will show you the several file types that you can choose to backup. Select all the files. Now choose the backup option. Last but not the least, conclusion. Different ways to factory reset without data loss. We have probably got ideas about performing a factory reset without paying the price. Now you can also do it without any hesitation. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel. And don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.